I am back! Alright, well, since my last video, which was the bridal makeup, I did get married, and then we moved out, we got a new house, and then we got this little guy, which has been rocking my world, and you're going to be seeing him about halfway through my makeup look. And today was pretty much a lot of trial and error, and basically I need to stay away from liquid eyeshadow. I've got this one from Starlux and it was rose gold and I was so excited to use it. But no, I can't use it. I don't know how. And my nose is super red, flaky from being sick this past week, and you might still hear it in my voice. I am still a little nasally, which is great. But yeah, that's why I'm doing this video, and this is just a little bit of a pick-me-up, and just to get me feeling a little better. Well, thank you for tuning in. Enjoy this video. I hope you learned something. If not, I hope you find that I am ridiculous and funny. Okay, see ya. Alright, so to start with, I have already applied my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And I'm actually going to be doing something that I haven't done before, so bear with me if this goes south. So we're going to start with a Starlux liquid eyeshadow in rose gold. See how that works. I don't know how this is supposed to work, but it turned very sticky very quickly. I don't know if this will look good underneath eyeshadow. It's still very tacky. It's been almost a minute since I have put it on my eyelids, and I can feel my eyelids sticking to each other when I'm blinking. So it might not be the best thing in the world. Anyhow, let's move on to eyeshadow. I will be using my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette. And I will be going in with a transitional color called Mocha. And I will be taking a fluffy brush from Vasanti. I really hope this is focusing on my face, guys. If not, I'm so sorry. It's my first time using my camera for a video. I'm usually just a photographer, so don't mind all the focusing issues. And then I'm going to go with a little darker color called Bordeaux. It's kind of like a burgundy brown shade. And I'm just going to apply that in the crease. A neutral color for my brow bone, just to kind of lighten it up a little bit up there. Now I'm going to do a very pretty gold color that I love, and it is from Sugar Pill, and it's in Goldilocks. I'm going to be doing this one just a little bit different. I am going to be wetting my brush, flat brush. I don't really have like MAC Fix Plus, so I'm actually going to take my e.l.f. makeup spray and spray down my brush. and that is how I'm going to be picking up the product. And I am just applying that over where I had put the rose gold initially. Brush that I had the browns with, and I am going to add just a little bit more of that dark brown shade in the crease. Samuel just woke up from a nap and he is in his swing, hopefully going potty. Sorry for the TMI, babies. It's a baby life. I'm taking my NYX matte liquid eyeliner. Start from the center, taper it in, and then work my way out. The other side, and hopefully they will match. Let's see what we can do with this little dude in our hands. So don't touch any of Mama's stuff, okay? I know it's super hard. I know. You ready? Okay. So I have brought out the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. Looks like so. So the rest of this is going to have to be done one-handed. So let's try to do some primer. And I'm using the Mary Kay Foundation Primer with sunscreen. Pretty much most of my face makeup has sunscreen in it because it's just something I always forget to do. And let's face it, we're not getting any younger. Ooh. Nope, let go. Let go. I don't usually apply it like this, but you know you gotta do it one-handed. You gotta improvise. Benefit, and it is an industrial strength concealer because that's what mommies need for those no sleep eyes. By the way, I know there's moms watching this. What do you get your 6-month-old to eat? We've tried, he seems to only like green beans. We've tried carrots, we've tried applesauce, pears, prunes. We're still trying to do the stage 1 stuff, so no mixing foods together. So I just can't get him to eat any fruit or really anything sweet. And I'm wondering if that's because I couldn't handle any sweet things when I was pregnant. That could be why. Alright, so now for the foundation, I'm going in with Hello Flawless Oxygen by Benefit also. They do some really good face products. I haven't really tried anything else, but I splurged one time when I went into Ulta and I figured, hey, why not get something cool? Once I feel like that is blended enough, I don't have my loose powder with me right now, so I am going to take a nice fluffy kabuki brush and use some pressed powder to set my foundation. That's what's next. Those sticky little fingers in here. Okay, so I'm using Becca Afterglow palette, and it comes with this handy blush, bronzer, gold highlighter, pink highlighter, and then a white one. But I guess I dropped this one time and the blush is gone, so no blush. But let's do some pink highlighter, just to bring a little color to the face. Nice and glowy. And then I'm going to use some of the white one to come up the nose and just above my lips. Right there. And then I guess the only thing left is lips. And I'm going to use NYX Liquid Suede in Sandstorm. My phone. Only thing next to do is spray your face down. Alright, so let's cover this baby's face. Don't grab at me. Alright, we'll do it over here. That felt good. Oh yeah, that felt great. Love it. So let's see again and see how this turned out, because I really can't see my face. Alright, not bad. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, Sam.